Class 4 map work. Mark the various landforms on the map. We will start with the Northern Mountains. They lies in the northern part of India. It is a long row of mountains that stretches from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Many states like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and the northern part of West Bengal. After Arunachal Pradesh, it bends southwards and stretches till the state of Mizoram. We have Northern Plains. Northern Plains refers to the large flat region at the foothills of the Himalayas. They stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. They lies just below the Northern Mountains and the land over here is very fertile and is very suitable for growing crops. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal are some of the states that are located in the northern plains. Some parts of Assam and Tripura also lies in the northern plains. So we have already understood the location of the northern mountains and the location of northern plains. Next we will mark the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is located in the western part of India. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana in India. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert or the Western Desert. Next we have Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau lies or located to the south of Northern Plains. It stretches from the central part of India to the southern tip. It is broad towards the north and narrow towards the south. Peninsular Plateau is divided into two parts, the Central Highlands in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. Next we have Coastal Plains. Coastal Plains is the area where the sea water meets the land. The coastal plains of India are divided into two parts, the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. Let us mark them. So this is the western coastal plain which lies in the west, and this is the eastern coastal plains which lies in the east. So we have marked Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Thar Desert, Peninsular Plateau and the coastal plains. Now last we will mark the islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are located in the Bay of Bengal which lies in the east part, and next we have the Lakshadweep Islands which are located in the Arabian Sea which is in the west.